Welcome to Review Central. This is ACET Reviewer number 5, featuring questions for the ACET Abstract Reasoning subtest. This reviewer is intended for those who are eyeing, or are set to take the Ateneo College entrance exam. There are 10 questions featured on this reviewer. All questions are modeled on actual questions that appeared on previous ACETs. Now let's begin. Abstract Reasoning question number 1. What shape is needed to complete the series? Choose the correct answer from the given answer choices as shown. The correct answer is A. This is a very easy abstract reasoning question. Most abstract reasoning tests have at least one giveaway questions like this. The shape needed to complete the series is, obviously, a pentagon. From left to right, the shapes are increasing in their number of sides. The missing shape must have 5 sides. Abstract reasoning question number 2. Find out the principle involved in the given set of related figures, and select from the choices the figure that belongs to the group. The correct answer is D. The given letters D, X, I, and O all exhibit horizontal symmetry. Among the answer choices, only H also exhibits horizontal symmetry. A is also symmetrical, but it exhibits vertical symmetry instead of horizontal symmetry. Abstract reasoning question number 3. Find the principle involved which makes 3 of the 4 figures similar to each other. Choose the one that is different from the other 3. The correct answer is B. Figures A, C, and D have their shaded regions located on the right side of each arm of the star. Figure B has its shaded regions located on the left side of each arm of the star. Abstract reasoning question number 4. Which of the 4 figures in the answer choices will show when all the given parts are fitted together? The correct answer is B. This is a test of perceptual ability, particularly your perception of shapes and their relative sizes. It's not so much to test if you can find the correct answer. Given ample time, anybody should be able to correctly figure out which of the 4 figures will show all the given parts fitted together. The real test here is, how fast can you pick out the correct answer? Abstract reasoning question number 5. Discover the principle involved in the series. Select from the choices which should come next to the series. The correct answer is B. Left to right, the total number of dots in each figure increases by 2. The first figure has 9 dots. The second figure has 11. The third figure has 13 dots. The fourth figure has 15. So logically, the next figure should have 17 dots. Among the answer choices, only B has 17 dots. Abstract reasoning question number 6. Which of the following choices is a rotation of the solid shown on the left? The correct answer is C. This is another test of perceptual ability, this time appreciation of objects in 3-dimensional space. The key to finding the correct answer in this particular problem is to be able to mentally rotate the given solid in any direction. Except for C, all the other figures have inconsistencies, albeit minor, with the given object. Abstract reasoning question number 7. Shown are 2 sets of symbols. Each set has its own characteristics. Choose the figure that shows the characteristics of the first set but does not show the characteristics of the second set. The correct answer is A. The figures in Group 1 have diagonally aligned shaded shapes. Among the answer choices, only A is diagonally aligned shaded shapes. Abstract reasoning question number 8. Discover the principle involved in the series. Select from the choices which should come next to the series. The correct answer is C. The given letters rotate 90 degrees in a counterclockwise direction. The next letter should be back in the original position, that is, 0 degree. The shading of the letter also alternates. Abstract reasoning question number 9. If a piece of transparent plastic sheet containing 2 circular holes as shown is folded along the dashed lines, which of the following is the resulting figure? The correct answer is B. You will need to mentally follow the circular marks as you mentally fold the transparent square plastic sheet, to establish where they will end when the sheet is folded. Again, this is not so much as to test your ability to figure out the principle behind the given problem, but to test how quickly you can move and manipulate objects mentally. Take note, however, that in some tests, this question appears exactly the same except that the material used is paper instead of transparent plastic. Although the same correct answer is given, it can be argued in such a case that if the material is paper, and since paper is opaque, one or both holes may not be visible when folded, depending on the direction of the folds. Nevertheless, if you encounter the same or similar question and it says paper instead of transparent plastic, you go ahead and imagine the material to be transparent plastic. Even if you have a valid argument like the one we have above, in reality you really do not have any opportunity to argue in such tests, and insisting on your argument may just cost you a correct answer. Abstract reasoning question number 10. Discover the principle involved in the series. Select from the choices which should come next to the series. The correct answer is C. Starting from the bottom arrow, the direction of one arrow changes then goes back to its original direction. After the arrow next to it changes direction. You have just completed ACET Reviewer number 5, which featured questions for the ACET Abstract Reasoning subtest. If you wish to watch more ACET reviewers for the ACET Abstract Reasoning subtest, check out our ACET Abstract Reasoning Reviewers playlist. Check out also our other ACET playlists for other reviewer topics. If you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to subscribe to Review Central, and click or press the bell button to make sure you get notified whenever we post a new reviewer or other review materials on this channel. Please like if you find this video useful and feel free to share to anyone who may also benefit from it. We wish you all the best on your forthcoming ACET and we look forward to your exciting days as a true blue Atenean.